small box costs only 250 taka, but it can fix your phone, mobile and laptop or camera. This is 32 in 1 screwdriver set. It is very small and portable and lightweight. It comes with 32 different bits, flat, cross, star and many more. You can use it to repair tools, toys and cameras or mobile phone, anything. And here is the magnetic rod. It helps you reach tighter places with your screwdriver easily. Let's try it out. I am opening this small gadget using this screwdriver. The bits fit perfectly and it feels strong and smooth while turning. The magnetic tip really helps. No more losing small screws. Just connect it and you are done. So if you want one, you can get from our website alifelectronicsbd.com or Facebook page ALIF Electronics BD, or visit our physical shop at Faridpur Rokibuddin Poro Market. So for just 250 taka, this screwdriver set is totally useful. This is useful for students, tech lovers or who loves to fix things. So that's the 32 in 1 screwdriver set. So if you like the video, hit that like button and follow for more tech related video. Every components, every solution, ALIF Electronics video with you.